Our task is to find the average value of this function. To do so, we're going to follow a formula that looks like this. 1 over b minus a times the antiderivative from a to b of the function in the direction of x. Okay, well that's going to be 1 over positive 2 take away negative 2. Alright, we got that part. And we're going to integrate from negative 2 to 2 this function, this 36 minus 9x squared in the direction of x. Okay, well we'll keep track of that. That means we're going to have 1 over 4. Okay, we're ready to integrate. That's going to be 36, add 1, we didn't have any x's, add 1, you've got an x, divide by 1, well it's the same thing. And then take away 9, add 1 to the power 2, divide by that same number. Looks like we've got a little simplifying to do. So that's 1/4 36x take away 3x cubed from negative 2 to 2. We'll plug in those boundaries. So that's 1/4 36 times 2, take away 3 times the cube of 2. From that we'll take away 36 times negative 2, taken away also negative 3 times the cube of negative 2, trying to keep everything grouped together appropriately. That's 1/4 of 72, take away 3 times 8. And then 36 times negative 2 is negative 72. An odd number of negatives will stay negative, and times a negative, well that's going to make it positive. So we'll have negative 8 times negative 3, which is positive 24. Simplifying inside parentheses, 72 take away 24 is 48. Then on the inside of these parentheses we've got a negative 48. But that is a double negative. So this is 1/4 of, add those together, 1/4 of 96 for an answer 24, which is the average value of the function.